to me and other platform concerning your JAMB result. So I have said in a previous video when 531 result that the results gradually. Right now, they just released extra 36,540 results. I told you in an earlier video that about 64,000 results were held in this year's JAM, but they have been releasing the results gradually. So I want you to follow me as I guide you. Your own results may be one of those that were held and you have checked and checked and checked and you did not see it. Your own may be among those that was just released. I look at this news. It said Joint Admission and Matriculation Board has released additional 36,540 UTME results, which were earlier withheld for further investigation. The agency, in a press statement released late Tuesday, this last Tuesday, by a spokesman, Dr. Fabian Benjamin, said the new results were in addition to the 531 released the previous week, bringing the total to 1.879437. I told you this. I made a post when it was 531. Now they have released extra results. But beyond that, JAMB has also said that there is this official letter conducted by a fraudster and circulated on social media purporting to emanate from the board, stating that the outstanding is currently being subjected to has been compromised. JAMB is saying that there is a report that is saying that they have compromised their results and they will not release it and all the rest. It is for you that is still checking your result. JAMB is saying that this is far from the truth as the said letter did not emanate from the board. In fact, they are saying that if you have not seen your result, they are still releasing results. Look at what they said in this last paragraph. The board reiterated for the obtained time the result of its 2024 UTME and other previous are intact, not in any cloud storage and can therefore not be hacked by anybody. If you have not seen your results, just calm down. Like I keep saying, keep checking it. JAMB will keep releasing the result. Anyone they have not released, they will keep releasing it. By the way, if you don't know how to check your JAMB result, just send me a message. Subscribe to our YouTube channel right now and send me a message under this video. Say, I have subscribed and I will guide you till you see and check your JAMB result. I wish you good luck. If you have any issues, any question, subscribe to our YouTube channel right now and ask me in the comment section.